Hello and welcome to the Lightroom Magic channel. In this video, I'll show you how to give your photos a mysterious, modern, yet soft vibe using this dark white eclipse filter. But first, let's check out some before and after examples of edited photos. If you want to take your photos to the next level and enjoy creative and captivating Lightroom presets, make sure to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to be among the first to see my new videos. Join us to experience the magic of photo editing. First, go to the light. Reduce the exposure to -0.42. Set the contrast to -24. Reduce the highlights to -25. Increase the shadows to 16. Set the whites to -62. And the blacks to -50. Next, go to the curve, follow these steps. Now go to the color section. Set the temp to -3. Increase the vibrance to +27. Reduce the saturation to -7. Go to color mix. For the red color, set the saturation to -57. For the orange color, set the hue to -5. Saturation to -6. And luminance to -21. For the yellow color, set the hue to -44, saturation to -80, and luminance to +3. For the green color, set the saturation to -100. For the aqua color, set the saturation to -100. For the blue color, set the saturation to -29. For purple color, set the saturation to -100. For magenta color, set the saturation to -100. Go to grading. Follow these steps. Now go to the effects section. In the effects, increase the texture to +32. Increase clarity to +4. Go to vignette and set the vignette to -37 midpoint to 36. Roundness to +48. Feather to +73. And highlight to 53. Then go to the detail section, select the sharpening, set the sharpening to +62. Then select noise and increase the noise reduction to 35 and detail to +71. All down. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next one.